My name is Anna Helman, and today I have some exciting things to share with you. First, today is the beginning of Stampin' Up Sale-a-bration, January 4th, 2022, and I have all the details to share with you of lots of products you can get for free. Now, if you're not interested in that, stick around because I have 10 simple stamping cards to share with you also that you can make in just a few minutes. I know so many of you love simple card ideas. I made all of these with free stamp sets you can get right now. So let me share them with you. So let's start taking a look at these really simple card project ideas that you can make. And as we go, I'll show you the products that I use to make them that you can get for absolutely free right now. And I'll explain the details. So first, let's look at this awesome Otter's card. Isn't this adorable? This is so easy to make. I just stamped the 3 different otters across the front, added the little tag with the "You are utterly awesome" tag and a greeting, and this came together so fast. So this is one of several products that you can get right now for free with a $50 order with Stampin' Up. Now, if you love to make cards, you probably love to add new products to your collection. Well, if you can add new products that you purchase and get some free things along with it, what's better than that? So Sale-a-bration starts right now. It lasts through the end of February. So this is one of those free products you can get. Let's look at another card project that I put together really quickly and the products I used to make it. Now, I said we had a lot of free stamp sets. I will correct myself and add, we have several free paper packs as well. So this one is called Daffodil Afternoon, and I'll show you one side and then I'll flip it over and show you the other side because all of our Stampin' Up prints are always double-sided. We have the absolute best papers. I love that one side has like big bold prints. The other side is a lot more toned down because you don't want your projects to get too busy, especially if you're a scrapbooker. So there is that really pretty card. And actually this strip of paper came from another paper pack. I'll show you in just a minute. And that greeting came from one of the stamp sets I will share. Here's another stamp set. It is called Driving By. Again, free with $50 order, just like the paper pack I just showed you. So here is a really cute card sample I made with it. I stamped this with Memento black ink, colored it in with my Blends alcohol markers, and added the little greeting. This paper, that circle of paper, is from one of our designer paper packs I'll show you here in a second. Now, I'll mention that there is no limit on how many of these you can get free. So let's say you place a $100 order. You could choose 2 of the free $50 items, or I will show you a couple of $100 items as well. Here is a very simple card, and I love how this turned out. So tell you how I made it. I cut my piece of designer paper to go on the front of my card. It measured 4 inches by 5.5. And then on the back side of what you can see up here, I stamped this greeting with the stamp set I'll show you in a minute. And then I just cut that one big piece into 3 strips. So this print is the back side of this print. So I just flipped it over if that happens to make sense. But I made this with a Simply Marvelous, I felt like I was going to say that wrong, paper pack. And I think this is so cool. So here you can see this is the side that I'd stamped that greeting on. And then the back side, I'll show you in a second. Aren't these colors pretty? You see these amazing marble, watery, I don't even know what to call them. But I think those are really neat prints that I'll be able to do a lot with. Next, we have a catching butterfly stamp set and a simple card that I made with them. So I stamped these with the Memento black ink. This time I used my water painters. I love my water painters. They're a really neat tool that is quick and easy to color with. So I added the color and a really quick, simple card to put together. Let's look at another stamp set here. This one is called Island Vibes. And it just has the 3 stamps, but I think you could do a lot with it. So I used 2 of them on this card sample here. I used that leaf stamp to add kind of a border around the edge. And then if you look closely, can you see the pineapple that I stamped behind this really big greeting? I thought that was kind of a fun way to use it. I stamped off first, and then I stamped on my card to get that really muted color, and added the greeting over top. Now I will mention this greeting is not from a free stamp set, but this is one maybe you'd be interested in purchasing this to be able to get to that $50 to get one of these free items. But I love these big greetings, love them. They're called slim sayings. They would be really good for slimline cards, but they're good for any cards in general. So that's where this came from. Let's look at another one, and this is a paper pack I am in love with. It's called Sunshine and Rainbows, and let me show it to you, and then I'll show you the card that I made with it. And hopefully these simple cards can help to inspire you to use some of the products you have in new ways, and not to overthink what you're making on your projects. Sometimes it's really easy to overthink things and think they need to be complicated, but simple cards are really great. So here is one side. Aren't these pretty and fun and bright? And then here is the other side, again, that side that's a little bit more toned down. So let's look at the card I made with the Sunshine, did I call it Sunshine and Rainbows, I think, paper pack. Here it is. I just covered a card base with that big rainbow print and added the hello friend greeting. You've seen this before and you'll see it again because I really like this greeting. Just added that on top and popped it up. Okay, I have 3 more cards to share with you, a couple more products, and then at the end I want to mention a few more details. So if you're interested in ordering, I don't want you to miss out on the specials that we have. I'm having a hard time talking today. You'll have to excuse me. So let's see. Let's look at the products. Now, this one is actually a bundle. It is a paper collection and a stamp set that come together with a $100 purchase. So here is the paper pack. This is called Friendly Hello. Stamp set has the same name, and this is where that Hello Friend stamp is coming from that you've seen a few times already. Has some really pretty greetings, has beautiful flowers and the bird and the leaves and all the different pieces and parts to be able to make nice floral arrangements or just decorations for your projects. Here's the back side. And I have 3 card projects I made with this. So here is the first one that I used that designer paper to make this. I used that slim saying stamp set to pull on this happy birthday stamp. So I'll mention that. That did not come from the Friendly Hello stamp set. Another one, this one is so easy. You can make this in a minute, probably. I just stamped the bird and the flower with Blushing Bride ink, added this with Mary Merlot ink. Now I used my Stamparatus to stamp that so that I could stamp it in the same place a few times to get that really nice dark color. And one more, and I really like how this turned out. I just made little floral clusters with the different pieces and parts in the stamp set. So I stamped the big flowers with Misty Moonlight, added the leaves with Granny Apple Green, added the faded balmy blue little foliage sprays, and then the greeting on top. So there are 10 different simple stamping card ideas you can make literally in minutes. I made all of them, including designing them, in a little over an hour. So to recreate them, I have faith that you could do it faster than that. Now, in addition to those products that you can get free right now, let me show you one more that I did not make a card with. It's called Special Moments. Now this is from our Sale-a-bration brochure, which I can link you to, so you can see this online if you want to see this. So this one has a lot of really neat greetings in it. So this is another one that's free with a $100 order. So those are the ordering specials. If you order a $300 order, you could get this one free, you could get this Friendly Hello bundle free, and you could choose 2 $50 items. So you can pair those in any way you choose. You can get 2 of the same $50 item if you want to keep one for you and give one to a friend. And then we have a hosting special with any $300 order either placed by you or placed as a workshop order, which I could help you set that up if you think you may have a few friends interested in ordering that. Then if you get to $300, you get all of your regular Sale-a-bration items, plus this gets thrown in free for being a host or for having that $300 order. It's called Calming Camellia, and it's beautiful. And one more I'll mention on this, I can do Facebook parties and I've done some that have gone very, very well, and my hostesses have earned a lot of free credit with stamping. And I design them for people who have not ever stamped before. So if you say like, oh, my friends aren't crafty, my friends don't do this, I have designed this Facebook party exactly for people like that. And I talk a lot about our kits and our paper pumpkin, things that are really easy for people who've never stamped before to get into and try. So if you'd be interested in doing that, or gathering some orders, or placing a $300 order, you can get Calming Camellia for free. And then I always like to mention the opportunity to join Stampin' Up. I try to always mention this to people because I never know who will be interested and who won't be. But if you join with Stampin' Up, basically how you do that is you purchase a $99 starter kit, but don't be fooled by the word starter kit, because you get to choose what goes in it. You get to choose $125 worth of products, anything you want. You can choose stamps, you can choose ink, whatever you want, up to $125. It is only going to cost you $99 plus tax. You get free shipping. And right now during Sale-a-bration, you get to choose any 2 stamp sets that are in our regular catalogs. Any 2 stamp sets thrown in on top of that, absolutely free. So you get $125 worth of products, 2 free stamp sets, free shipping. Stampin' Up throws in I should say past paper pumpkin kit for you. You get catalogs, you get all kinds of fun things for $99 plus tax. Now from there, you can continue ordering with the demonstrator discount if you want to. If you don't continue ordering, you are not really responsible for anything, and you can go back to being a customer if you don't keep up with ordering as a demonstrator. So wanted to mention that these are really awesome specials. I love Sale-a-bration time this time of year. We have our best specials of the year typically during this time. So thanks so much for watching along. I hope these cards gave you some really great simple stamping ideas, and I hope you will take advantage of ordering now during Sale-a-bration or signing up and taking advantage of that special. You can find information on all of this in the video description below. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.